Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday we had discussed if Bank Nifty opens above 34,000 then it can go till 34,200 to 34,400. Today we saw opening around 33,950 and after crossing 34,000 it went till 34,400. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes above 34,400 it can go till 34,700 and on the downside 34,000 will act as a support. If we see a major gap up opening tomorrow around 34,500 to 34,600 then you can see a price action, and if we see opening around 34,700 then after a negative sign on chart you can sell Bank Nifty. But if we see a flat opening and then if Bank Nifty goes above 34,400 it can go till 34,700. If we see a opening below 34,000 then you can see price action and sell Bank Nifty if there's a negative sign, and in that case it can come till 33,800 to 33,600. Or if Bank Nifty breaks 34,000 after opening flat then too it can come till 33,800 to 33,600. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty we had discussed if it goes below yesterday's day low then it can fall till 16,700, and if we see opening above 15,900 then it can go till 16,000. Today Nifty did not break the day low and after crossing 15,900 Nifty went till 16,000 almost. So tomorrow if Nifty goes above 16,025 then Nifty can go till 16,100 to 150, and on the downside 15,900 will act as a support. If Nifty goes below 15,900 then it can fall till 15,850 to 15,800, and on the higher side if we see a gap up opening around 16,150 then you can sell Nifty if there is a negative sign on chart. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is BPCL, and if you see the chart it has given a breakout after consolidating for a few days in this range. So tomorrow you can buy it above 322. The target will be 327, 328 will be the first target. The second target will be 330 and the third target will be 333. And for this trade you will have to maintain a stop loss around 318. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.